Hey love, welcome to your Total Core Strength series. If you're a woman who's looking to build muscle, some strength, you want to start toning your body and feeling firm, this workout plan is perfect for you. In this video, I'm going to explain how you can use the Total Core Strength workout plan to help you see results. It is beginner friendly because I'm going to give you several modifications, and every exercise is created with the thought in mind that your core still might need some work, and so I'm not doing any exercises that are going to compromise your core. In fact, some of the workouts incorporate a lot of core strengthening with them. So if you're someone who just came from our beginner core strengthening series, this is a perfect progression for you, where we start to now do things like squats and lunges, but we do them in a way that it's safe, and hopefully you can do this and continue to get stronger so you can move on to our next series that's coming next, which is going to be a lot more advanced. All right. So let's talk about what's in this workout plan. Down below in the description is where you're going to click the link to find your workout plan as well as your tracker. In your plan, you have a 7-day workout plan. However, I've given you 4 workout days. I know that you're busy and you have a lot going on. And so the idea is that you're going to have 4 workout days and 3 rest days. You're going to have 2 lower body days and 2 upper body days with some ab and core strengthening and some mobility mixed in there. Okay. Now, if you do not have 4 days to work out, and I get it, I don't always have 4 days to work out. Some days I only have 2 days, or some days I only have 3 days in the week, depending on the week. What I want you to realize is that you're never, ever, ever, ever going to skip lower body. Lower body is the number 1 day in this workout plan. And the reason for that is that the muscles in your lower body are the biggest muscles. Okay. Those are the biggest muscle groups. And so if we want to start improving overall strength in your body, the hips, the lower back, and your core, we need to build those areas. Number 2, because those muscles are a lot larger, they also help to improve our metabolic health. What does that mean? It helps to lower our insulin. It helps to lower our blood sugar. It helps to improve our metabolism and get our body working more for us so that we can burn fat while we're trying to build this muscle. So lower body is never going to be skipped. The reason why we do 2 lower body days is because for you to see results, you need to work the same muscle group more than once in the week. And we're going to do the same exact exercises. Now, if you were a young woman in your 20s and you have 7 days to work out in a gym, or even 5, you might structure your lower body day a little bit differently. You might do like glutes on one day, and then you might come back another day and do quads, right? But for most of us, we don't have all of that time to spend in the gym. And so your lower body is created in a way that we're working the entire lower body so that you don't miss a muscle group. All right. How we're going to continually progress is, again, increasing the weights. In our upper body workout, we're going to be focusing on toning your arms and your upper body, but I'm a little sneaky. Because this plan is still created with the idea that I still need to teach you how to engage your core and strengthen your core. And so all of the exercises in our upper body, for the most part, are going to challenge your core as well so that we can get more bang for our buck. All right. Now, on your rest days, you have 3 of those. You're encouraged to still meet your step count goal. Remember that working out 1 day a week is not enough for you to see results, especially if you're trying to lose weight. Okay, because when you're just sitting in a chair all day, you're not burning as much calories as if you're walking. The other thing is, if you're sitting in a chair all day, you're telling your body that you don't need all these muscles. You don't need all the range of motion. You don't need your body moving in all different ways. Okay, so on your rest days, you're encouraged to get moving. Be creative with that. Throw on some music and start dancing. Get the laundry off the treadmill. Put on your favorite show. Bridgerton happens to be one of my faves. And get walking on a treadmill. Do something, but you're encouraged that you need to meet 8,000 to 10,000 steps on your rest days. Okay. The other thing that you can do on a rest day is your mobility class. I created that with the idea that you don't have a lot of time in your day. So 10 minutes, if you only have 10 minutes, you can do your mobility. You can do that every single day. It's perfect to start improving the range of motion in your hips and your upper body. And it also is going to help you recover from your workouts as you start to get sore and tight. Okay, so you can do mobility any day of the week, but definitely on a rest day, that's perfect to just do those 10 minutes as well as walking. And then you can also, on your rest days, add your core strengthening or your ab workout. So your ab workout, again, is created. Obviously, we want to flatten our stomach. We all do. I have goals too. I have ab goals. Like in my 40s, I'm going to see way more muscles in my stomach. I never prioritize it as much because I'm always thinking about my hips. But this year, I'm prioritizing my abs. So if you have ab goals like me, we have our ab class, and it is for the most part core safe. But if you're doing it and it just doesn't feel good, then you're going to just go over to that core strengthening class and focus a little bit more on those foundational core movements. Okay, so that is our workout plan: 2 lower body days, 2 upper body days with some core work, and then we have our rest days. Along with your planner, you have your tracker. Your tracker is to help you to see that you're getting stronger with each workout. And that helps for a couple of reasons. Number one is sometimes we like to use the same weight every time. And the reality is that with each workout, you should be getting stronger. So you should be able to start increasing your weights with each workout for the most part. Every week is going to be different, right? Some weeks you didn't eat enough, or maybe you're really exhausted, you didn't get good sleep, or maybe you drank alcohol and you're a little inflamed, or maybe you're on your period. So it's not always going to be that you're increasing your weight and getting better, but for the most part, that should be the goal. So in your tracker, I've given you a 7-week tracker. At the end of your workout, or at the end of each set for each exercise, so for example, we're doing squats. On set 4, what I want you to do is write down how many reps you completed and what was the weight that you finished with. So maybe you started your squats with 20 pounds, but by the 4th set, you were at 40 pounds. So at the 4th set, you're going to write 40 pounds. 8 reps, and then you're going to write the level of difficulty. So 0 to 10, 10 being the most difficult you've ever felt. And again, this is to track your progress because there's 2 reasons. The first reason I've already explained. The second reason is sometimes my clients will tell me, I don't feel like I'm getting stronger. And I'm like, okay, but based on what I have in my notes, when we first started, you were using a 5-pound weight and you were struggling, and now we're at 30 pounds. So are you struggling in your workout? Yes, but you were doing 5 pounds when you started and now you're doing 35 pounds. That means you got stronger. So that's going to help you to see that. At the end of the 7 weeks, and yes, you're going to continue this plan for 7 weeks, because if you don't, you're not going to see results. Consistency is the key. You got to keep doing it. Even if you get sick of my voice, even if you don't want to hear me anymore, lower the volume, keep doing it, keep showing up. Okay, 7 weeks. At the end of the 7 weeks, you're going to look at your progress tracker and you're going to see, how am I doing? Have I gotten stronger? Is there more for me to do here? And maybe I need to do another 7 weeks here, or do another couple more weeks here. Or do I feel really good? And now I'm ready to do things like body weight exercises, because in the next series, I'm going to start teaching you how to do push-ups, which are my favorite. And I'm going to teach you how to do more body weight type of exercises. And I'm also going to challenge your stability a lot more, because we're going to be combining things, like rather than just doing a lunge like we're doing in this series, we're going to combine it with arms and things like that. So if you stick with me, honey, we are going to continuously get stronger and more limber, flexible. I don't know what you want to call it, but we're going to be feeling good. All right. So consistency is the key. So you have your planner, you have your tracker. All you need to do is show up. So let me know in the comments. Number 1, I want to know is, are you coming to me from the beginner core strengthening series? If you completed that and now you're here, congratulations on staying consistent and getting stronger and showing up. And now look at where you are. Imagine where you're going to be in 7 weeks. And if you are not coming to me from that, but you're curious about it, I'm going to link the core strengthening series down below too, because it's something that you could either just incorporate with this plan if you're ready for this plan, or if you're like, oh, I'm not here yet. I'm not ready to do squats and lunges yet. I need to focus on my core. Then I want you to go start the core series and then meet me in a couple weeks when you're ready to elevate your workout. All right. I'm super excited to be on this journey with you guys. I love you. I'm excited to see you get stronger. I'm excited to see you show up consistently for yourself and see results. So again, don't forget to download your planner and your tracker right now. I look forward to seeing you in the first workout. Bye-bye.